Most people don't feel pleasure for many reasons, which in turn have caused divorce amongst couples and unsettled relationships. We would discuss and elaborate on this topic, and also we would review the causes of sexual dysfunction. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel, The Daily Health and Weight Loss. We want to say thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss important videos. In the past few years, we have seen questions such as, I don't feel pleasure anymore. I can't feel anything down there during sex. Why am I not sexually sensitive? What causes a woman not to be sexually active? People ask these questions over and over again, which enables us to easily find out what some people go through. Kindly follow us to the end of this video as we try to give you the accurate answer to your question. So let's start to give the reasons. There are many possible causes for not feeling pleasure during sex, but some of them include lack of sleep, exercising, or eating well. Physical, mental, emotional, and sexual health are all connected. When one is being neglected, it's like trying to drive a car with the emergency brakes on. It will go, but it will slow you down tons, and it isn't great for your engine. Engaging with your sexuality once you feel physically unaligned are often stressful and difficult. Taking care of your entire body by getting enough sleep, eating a good diet, and getting regular exercise will assist in giving you the energy your body needs. Afraid of pregnancy or sexually transmitted infections. Even if you are taking precautions for sexual activity, it's natural to stress about pregnancy or STIs. Any fear that exists during a sexual encounter goes a long way to impact how you are feeling about your experience. If you are scared of getting pregnant, you need to remember that sex doesn't have to equal intercourse. There are many ways to get pleasure and eroticism aside from intercourse. Unable to achieve orgasm. Up to 10 to 20% of girls have never achieved orgasm, and lots of others have difficulty. But there are treatments available for this. It's important to notice that if a lady isn't bothered by a low libido, or if she likes intimacy with her partner but simply doesn't seek it, this isn't considered a problem. It's normal for ladies to lose a number of their sexual drives as they grow old, but it depends on whether or not she considers this a problem. Lack of sexual desire. Sexual desire and preferences are different for each person. And with the popular misconception about sex being a task to be mastered rather than an activity to enjoy, could make it tough for somebody to find out what they like. Taking time to explore your body by way of masturbation or trying new things that you are comfortable with, whether with new toys, positions, or other sexual stimuli, can assist you to learn what feels enjoyable for you. Uncomfortable during sex. In order to possess pleasurable and fun sex, it's important to be comfortable and relaxed. But because of the way society has viewed sex in the long, this will be challenging for several people. Emotions like fear, guilt, shame, embarrassment, or awkwardness about having sex may make it hard to relax. If one cannot relax, arousal is difficult and pain may result. Again, visiting a sex therapist or counselor can assist you to run through feelings of shame surrounding sex. Lack of sexual attraction. Not everyone is allosexual, that is, someone who experiences sexual attraction. Some people are asexual, and naturally have little or no interest in sex. Asexuality may be a valid and normal sexual orientation, but may cause issues in relationships thanks to misconception and lack of communication. If you have a feeling that you are asexual, which is naturally wired not to be curious about sex, that's not a problem. It will only become a problem for you if you would like to be in a relationship with someone who feels differently. If you get into a romantic relationship, you will get to lay all of your cards on the table. It's going to be that with time, your position on this issue will change, or maybe it won't. The foremost important thing is to be honest with your partner so that their expectation of what your intimate relationship will be realistic. I hope you are getting quality knowledge of why you are not having pleasure during sex. Please drop your comments below telling me what you think. And if you are enjoying this video, please do not forget to like and share. Painful sex. It is said that painful sexual activity may be a common problem that affects almost 3 out of 4 women during their lifetime. But simply because it's common doesn't mean you need to endure painful sex. There are solutions for it. Female sexual interest/arousal disorder. This occurs when sexual fantasies or thoughts and desire for sexual intercourse are persistently reduced or absent. It happens when a lady is unable to experience adequate arousal, causing distress or relationship difficulties. Often, a woman's concupiscence is suffering from her relationship with her sexual partner. The more a lady enjoys the connection, the greater her desire for sex. The stresses of daily living can affect desire. However, infrequently feeling tired of sex is not any cause for concern. But when disinterest persists and causes problems, it is classified as a disorder. Female orgasmic disorder refers to the persistent absence or recurrent delay in orgasm after sufficient stimulation and arousal, causing personal distress. About 1 in 3 women have problems reaching orgasm. Never having an orgasm or having one in certain situations are problems that can sometimes be resolved by learning how the female body responds, how to ensure adequate stimulation, and how to overcome inhibitions or anxieties. Some medications, including but not limited to those used to treat high vital sign, depression, and psychosis, can reduce your sexual desire and arousal and interfere with orgasm. If you are taking such drugs and experiencing sexual side effects, talk with your healthcare professional about changing your dosage or prescription. The stage of menopause. Low estrogen levels can result in vaginal dryness, thinning of vaginal tissues, reduced blood flow to the genital area, and reduced vaginal sensitivity that may contribute to arousal and, in turn, orgasm problems. Postmenopausal women often find that the arousal phase of the sexual response cycle takes longer or is a smaller amount intense. Changing hormone levels can also produce mood swings that make some women nearing menopause feel less curious about sex. Thank you for watching our video that explains why you are not having pleasure during sex. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos on our playlist.